Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Danny Graphics. In today's video I want to be showing us how to design a beautiful text effect. We're going to use road text effect, a beautiful text effect. I'd like you to subscribe to my channel if you're a new viewer and also like this video. Without any further ado, let's quickly change the text. I'm going to be using road. Okay.
Never looking back, I'ma keep myself in check. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best.
So let's go change the size of the image. The image size. So you change it to thumbnail. Let's expand this a little bit. So we're gonna change the font. So we'll change the font to
never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my own
geometry.
Everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
And let's go and add texture. Come to texture. All the tools I'm using in this video is listed in the description. Let's check the description to get the tools. Okay. Make sure to HC. What is stroke? When I add the stroke, 15. Stroke is 15. The stroke color should be gradient. Let's add the color. Here we'll go for black. Just watch out. Just watch what I'm doing. You get it correctly. I'm gonna use this as white.
Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do,
I'm gonna add another.
Genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in.
I'm gonna add another.
Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn,
so we're going to add another. Change it to black. So we're going to add another one. Change it to white.
I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause
Bring this down to this
I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted. Can't be guarded, nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up, I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We about to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out.
We're going to add another color. Bring it here. Change it to black.
Everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me.
Change it to white.
Working with me, and I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe to find out who you wanna be.
Add another color. Bring it here. Change it to black. Okay, we're going to use our grid. Okay, then save. Okay, after that we're gonna copy this one. You copy it, you lock the second one. Then we're gonna add a 3D effects. The 3D effects, add it, change it to oblique, then the depth should be 4. Okay, Okay, ranking to 0, rotation to be at 308, 308. Make sure you're following. Okay, stimulate lighting, turn it off. For a new viewer, kindly like and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get updated whenever I post a new video. So after this, you come back to stroke again. So you come back to stroke. Now this stroke now we want to change the color. So this time we'll be using, let's just delete these ones, minus them. Okay.
Everybody wake up, it's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up.
Bring this one over here. This will be white.
I could give a fuck how. Just speak your grit out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from
make this white.
Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve.
Okay, keep this one over here. Add again. Keep black. And another one. Keep white.
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this.
Also going to add another color. You bring it down to this place. Make it white. Add again. We make this one black. And you also add. We make this one white. Let's bring down here to make it white. Okay. After that, you're gonna keep it like this first. Then you're gonna click on this icon over here. Just click on that place over here to make it circle. So as you can see, then you OK it. We have gotten the result. So you're gonna bring it to the middle. Come to position, relative position, middle, take it backward, you lock it, you unlock this other one, you tap that one, bring that one to the middle, you also lock this one too. Now let's change the background of the thing. So you come to this place, you go to color, okay, the gradients, you just have to change this to black. You're gonna change this to white.
It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5.
Somewhere like this. Okay. You go to imports. You're gonna import effects.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it.
Change the color to white.
Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest.
Copy.
Knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the
Sure you are careful whenever you are doing this.
Spitting hot shit, I'm dropping, chronic. I think my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, so react, no react. Think I'm black off his act, while I rap, bounce a step, throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man, got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'ma rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy, get denied that I'm right, yeah.
Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows, how it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go, all these people wanna
You lock everything up.
them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy.
Okay, we have gotten our road test events. Please, I would like you to like this video and also share to others. Please subscribe to my channel so you will see whenever I drop a new update on graphic designing and text effects. Thank you for watching. If you want to save your design, you can just click on this icon over here to save your design. When you save it, always save your design as author to avoid losing quality.